Hello beautiful people, welcome again to Solicious Cuisine. On today's recipe I'll be showing you how to make this delicious, simple and easy Cameroonian snacks called fish roll. And if you want to know how this is done, stay tuned and let's dive right into the ingredients. For the ingredients, I'll be using this mixed vegetable, but you can use carrot, you can use other vegetable of choice. I also have my flour, and then I have sardine. Instead of boiled fish and deboning it, you can just use your sardine. In here I have a mixture of different powders which I will list in the description box below. I have an egg, some butter. Here I have sugar, nutmeg, baking powder and salt inside this bowl, and of course I have water. Next we are going to do the filling in. So I went with my sardine in a pan, I mashed it for it to scatter so that it will be well mixed. So I went on after to add the vegetables and some of my spices, my powder spice, which I will list in the description box below. I also added some salt and some seasoning powder. So I gave that a proper mix and I realized that it was a bit too dry, so I went on to add a little bit of water to make it moist. After, I will give it a proper stir just as I am doing it like this. And the mixed vegetable, you can get it from a shop. For those who are living here in Switzerland, you can get it from Migros. It's already minced, but otherwise, like I said, you can grate your carrot and add whatever vegetables you want. And voila, we have our filling in set for the fish roll. Next we are going to mix the dough. For the dough, I went in to mix all the dry ingredients together. After that, I went in with my butter and I gave that a proper mix until it was well combined, and you will have that crumpy mixture. I don't know how to say it, but yeah, just as I am doing. After the butter and the dry ingredients are well mixed, I went in to create like a well in the middle. I added my egg and water, and you want to put the water bit by bit. Please do not just carry a cup of water and just put inside, otherwise your dough will be very soft. So you want to put the water bit by bit until you have a smooth dough. Just as I am mixing, that is how you have to mix until you have a well soft, not too soft, but just a dough that is combined, well mixed and smooth. Just the way my dough is, as you can see in the video, that's how yours should also be in the end. So please be careful how you put your water, otherwise your dough will not look like mine. After I was done mixing, I went ahead to my work surface, sprinkled some flour so that the dough would not stick, and then I went ahead to cut the dough into small sizes. You can cut according to the size you want, but I would advise that you don't cut the dough into big sizes, else your fish roll will be too big and maybe by frying it will open a lot. So I took a piece of it and I'm going to roll it. Please just follow as I am doing in the video. When rolling, you want to make sure that it's a bit long, just as it is in the video. That way, it helps you to roll several times, and it will also help the fish roll not to open when frying. So you want to go ahead and put your fish, and just as I am doing, you really want to close the first stage very well, and you want to go into the sides exactly how I am doing in the video, so that your fish roll will not open when frying. And then you want to roll just the way I am doing, and you're going to repeat the process until everything is finish. At this point, I was done rolling, and the next thing to do, of course, is to fry. When you want to fry, you have to make sure that your oil is not too hot. It's a deep frying. You also want to make sure that you have enough oil. You want to fry this on a medium heat. When the heat is too high, the probability that your fish roll will not get well cooked is high. Please fry this until golden brown, just as you can see in the video. At this point, I've been frying for over 7 minutes or so, and it's golden brown. And I'm just going to take that off the heat, and voila, your fish roll is ready. Now you can enjoy, you can have it with some tea. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share, leave a comment below. And if this is your first time here, you're welcome. Thank you for tuning in. Please don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell. And until I see you in my next video, stay safe. God bless you. Bye.